This flavor, the green melon, actually took me by surprise. Like, it's too good. There we have it, my favorite breakfast in Canada, the breakfast bowl. Breakfast of champions.
Prep, because that is the most important part. Skin prep can either make or break your makeup. If you see people and they're guys, we are done. Dio ear. There's no go my me that be my face. Let me see. Let me show you the options.
This kind of things where they make man see ya. I never got it for nothing. If I'm gonna give me the dark man shit, I do whatever you want, every time you with this whole thing, I never get it all, baby.
Coming to the vloggy. Coming to the vloggy. Lady.
Oh no, the lighting out there is giving.
I can't believe you don't know that. I can't believe you were to born 5
Guys. Anyways, guys, like I'm gonna be vlogging today. I didn't vlog all day, but we've got somebody here. I think you guys know her from the TikTok streets. Gracious Ming.
You might not recognize my face today because look at me. Okay, period.
Yeah, period.
Like,
Yes. But anyways, guys, we are going out for what was supposed to be live. Quick to check, the cardigan is from Lady Blackfish on Instagram, pants are from Pushini, heels of Steve Maiden, and the bag is from Country Road.
okay, quick fit check.
Yeah.
The cardigan is from Pay Home. The pants are from Foschini and the shoes are Mrs. Price.
Okay.
Bye. Okay, hi guys. So we are gonna leave here because it's really just
packed and the girlies don't have time for nah. We're literally by the bar. We're not doing this. We're going to trams and hoping for the best. No, we definitely are gonna get a good time. Let's go. Done.
Shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci, no. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had it, you should go to the club with your boy, baby. I never wanted
Definitely still. Are you a sparkling girl?
I am.
Look at my cutie.
Just arrived. Appreciate you so much.
So I'm not gonna pop it up, but yeah. We know y'all classy over here.
I don't do those things.
Yeah. Yeah, I need to do my nails. What is yo? They are gone.
What do you look at?
This place. They by mid-range. These something.
But they look like they were bored. Like
They were, and what they decided
like they're not
together.
lifting. They're not like. Looks like you know like they did a good job.
Yeah.
This one I better do it, ja, da, da. Me, I know get tired, da, da, da. Da, cover my face, calling me, da, da, da. Biggie man, waiting, yeah, da, da, what's it going? All depends on the girl them, ride the whip. I know me, die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depends. The girl them, ride the whip. I know me, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do them must go. Don't mind my wig. Don't literally mind absolutely nothing, right?
Mind absolutely nothing. My skin is recovering, so I had to go to Discam because I was looking for something to get rid of my dark marks. Like, I feel like my breakouts are done. I just got a couple of things we need to work on, but let's do a quick little Discam haul. I had to just quickly drop off packages, so I had to put on what I can put on and be done. So I got this Tresemme volume styler because I want to try it actually on this wig. I think I want to try it on this wig. I have a Tresemme curler that I've had for years. Even now it's working, so I trust Tresemme. Like, I really honestly trust them because my curler is still hot till this day. So yeah. And then I just got some microfiber cloths. Like I said, I needed to clean, and the ones I had are old, so I was just like out with the old. And then I got a styling gel. And then I got some hairspray, just some hair stuff. I got 2 of the Essence lip glosses because I ran out. 1 for the car. Let me take these receipts out, child. 1 for the car and 1 for my purse at my house. I don't know. Like, a purse is always in the house, so 1 for the house, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, I should have gotten 3 actually. And then I got Handy Andy. And then I got, they were having a 2-for-1 special at Discam for the Nivea products, so I got the Luminous 360 range, the anti-dark mask. Yeah, so I got the advanced night cream. I really want to try them out because they're going heavy with the Avid, and you know, Nivea has been around, so clearly some's working, but they are so pricey. Like, I spent close to 700 for 2 of them, and then I got 1 for free. So if it wasn't the case, I was gonna end up spending 1,000 rand for like 3 products. Yo, Nivea. Hey, bro. So I got this cute little night cream. It's so cutesy. It's their Luminous anti-dark mask. It says reduces dark mask in 2 weeks. Right, and then I got the Luminous, it's just the Luminous anti-dark mask range, right? And then I got the CC fluid. It looks like this in the color dark. So this is like a skin tint, if I assumed correctly, because I've actually never seen it. It looks like this. One thing about Nivea, the products look so cutesy, man. So I hope I got the right color, or else I'm gonna just have to go back, because they had 3 colors. They had super light, and then they had medium, and they have dark. So I'm like, clearly I won't be medium, I hope. So you just, sorry. Okay, so it's doing nothing. It smells good though. I thought it will cover, because they said instantly cover dark marks. So I thought it would be a skin tint. I thought I was buying a skin tint basically, and it does not come cheap. I thought I was buying a skin tint. I really honestly thought I was buying a skin tint. I bought nothing. It says cover dark marks instantly, so that's what I thought this was gonna give. I guess so clearly not. I got their post acne dark mark serum, skin perfecting, and it looks like this, like Nivea. Your packaging is so cutesy, doll. So good to where you put this. I really should have just taken 2 of these things, because if it works then I'm gonna need to go back and keep using it now. They smell fresh as well, like it for me. That smells strong. Oh my god, it's got a kicker. It actually smells really strong. But yeah, that's everything that I got. I spent like, yeah guys, I'll talk to you guys later. The dark marks, they gotta go. Nivea, we about to find out. I will do a before and after skincare where I will test out Nivea for the next month, or until the product's finished, so we can see how our skin did. I really hope I didn't just waste money and they actually work and they don't cause me to break out all over again. Bye guys, love you.